can see two legs are waiting here. But who is the owner of this leg? And why his legs are on the boat? Let's try to find out. As I came to see Malakal, and just beside the river Nile, suddenly found this boat is being repaired by a boat repair man. I came closer to him and discovered that he doesn't have legs. I wanted to talk to him, but he doesn't speak English, and my Arabic is not that good to make a good conversation with him. So I take help of local. Now I am requesting one of my good friend here. He is going to translate, and I'll make a conversation with the technician or the repair man. He is the man. See, a local technician of boat. He is repairing the boat, but his jalabia is covering his two legs. Actually, he is putting on the jalabia just to hide that he doesn't have that legs. Now what happened to him? Let's hear from his co-worker. So, brother, what's your name? Let me tell your name first. Girmai. Okay. And what is the name of the person who is repairing the boat? Jima. Okay. And how he lost his leg? Do you have any idea? Yeah? So in the war, he was shooten by the gun and he lost both of his legs, and he didn't surrender after that. He is a person who started working, and whatever knowledge he has, he is trying his best to earn his livelihood. He is repairing the boat in the bank of Nile in Malakal area. So how long you were working as a boat technician? "20 years he is doing the same work, and he never go to begging, isn't it?" So how many children you have? One. So he is the father of 11 kids, and he is providing them food by doing this repair work of boats. So we hope that more people will be contacting with him and give their job to him, so that he can lead his family with dignity and honor, as he never surrendered to his situation. Rather, he is working his best, and we wish him all the best. Thank you so much. Let us make a handshake. You are an excellent person. I wish you all the best. Please translate. Yeah, tell him what I said. Thank you. Thank you so much from Malakal, bank of River Nile.